Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. All of you. Are you audible? Okay, right, guys. So in the last class, we complete. That means we discuss about equijoin and a few examples. We discuss on equijoin examples. Okay, now, right. And now next join here. The next one is inner join. So basically, inner join is also just like it was working just like what we can say equijoin. Okay, so it is a like okay, is similar to equi. So inner join is also same as equijoin, and but we know equijoin is, I said, it's a non-ANSI. Okay, so but equijoin, okay, equijoin is a non-ANSI, but whereas inner join, okay, but whereas inner join is ANSI. So this is the different, and the remaining things are the same. So here also inner join is also same like that. Okay, working on equal operator, yes or no, working on equal operator and retrieving your matching data from your tables. Okay, so this all kind of okay whatever the examples we done in equijoin, the same kind of operations we can do by using of inner join. But equijoin is working on where class condition, and inner join working on class condition, we said. And later we said here inner join is same as equi. So the difference is what now, it is ANSI and that is non-ANSI, and remaining operations are how it was equijoin is working, the same as it is your inner join is also working. So let you see the previously what are the examples we discussed. Same example I'm just using in my inner join. There is no, so whatever the equi examples are there, that all equi example just you convert into inner join. Okay, so how it was converting into inner, let you see, guys. Okay, now these are our two tables. Previously we designed here student table. Oops. Student table data is not there. Now I'm inserting some data into student table. So this is our first table, student table, having some data, and as usual, when you come to second table course, that this is your. Okay, so on these two tables of data, if I want to use equijoin, so how we written equijoin means select a star from student S, and we are using some comma, and course C. Okay, and here we use where class like s.cid is equals to c.cid to execute. So this is your equijoin. We're retrieving the data from multiple tables by using of equal operator. So same kind of example what we discussed, it will be just a change. Just I want to convert how to, here simple. There is nothing was there. So student, yes, and here just I want to pass. Actually, where we are using it non-equi, okay, in your equation we are using where class, but don't use here where class. Instead of where class, we should use a on class. Okay, we should use a on class. So on s dot cid, okay, is equals to c dot cid. So let you see to execute it now. Yes, so now you can see. So how this equi-join is going to be retrieving matching data like 10 10 20 20, same as this. Your inner join is also retrieving matching data 10 10 20 20. So that's why what I said here. So equi-join examples, whatever we discuss, for example, if you want to a specific matching data, we are using and okay, c dot cid is equals to 20, then 20 is coming out. Same to same, if you want to do like this in your inner join, so same as this we have to take now, and now we can use and c dot cid is equals to 20, and same output is coming out. So that's why inner join is a similar to equi-join we called, and equi-join, whatever the examples we implemented by using of equi-join, every example you can implement by using of inner join. But the difference is what now, that is non-ANSI format, and this is ANSI format. That was joining tables by using of where class condition, and this one joining tables by using of on class condition. Okay, so and both are same equal operator we are using to retrieving your matching data. Okay, this is inner join, guys. Okay, all examples I was given in the document, all examples you have to practice it. Okay, right. But here one note point is what now, careful observe. In the above, whatever we use here equi-join, and whatever we use here inner join. Okay, so equi inner joins are retrieve matching rows only retrieving here, which rows means matching rows, otherwise matching data only retrieve data from multiple tables, from multiple. Okay now, so this is what. But suppose if I want data, okay, so if I want data, if we want to retrieve, okay, so matching along with unmatching data, along with unmatching rows or data from multiple tables, multiple tables. Okay, so how we can go to retrieving means, we are retrieving from multiple tables. Okay, by using which mechanism means outer joins mechanisms. Okay, outer join mechanism. So here equi inner both joins, if you want to see, the both are retrieving data. The which type of data we are retrieving means matching data we are retrieving. So it means the matching information we got it by using of equi inner, but unmatching data, whatever it was left in your tables, those unmatching data we are not getting here. For example, let you see in this, this is your student table, data is there, and course table, data was there. But when I'm using equi-join, so what happened, 10 10 20 20 matching data only we are getting. But in this, whatever it was there unmatching data 30, and whatever it is there unmatching data 40, so this unmatching data we are not getting from the tables. Okay, that is what. So in the equation, in the same to same, whenever you want to use our inner join also, we are getting only matching data, but the 30 unmatching data and 40 unmatching data we are not getting. So that's why what we can say that these both joins are retrieving only matching, but how to retrieve unmatching rows from our tables. Okay, now, so for that purpose we should use a outer joins. So here outer join. Okay, how we can use outer joins means, so outer joins, okay, basically this outer join, the main intention, main purpose of outer join is so retrieve and also unmatching rows from multiple tables at a time. Okay, now so this is what we call as so matching and unmatching. The both we are going to be getting as here by using of your outer joints. But these outer joints again we have it three types now. Okay, these outer joints we have again three types. So what are those? Now we can see first one we called as left outer joint. Left outer joint is the first one, and the second one is called as right outer joint. Right outer joint, and third one is called as full outer joint. So these are total joints here. Left outer, right outer, and full outer joints. So that means outer joints are again three types. It was classified by people. So these are the three joints we call. And how this left outer, right outer, and full outer, how these joints we can be used. Okay, means here the thing is simple. Here the left and right and full in the name only we can go to understand here. So how we can go to use it, observe this. So first one you can see left outer joint. Left outer joint, how it was retrieving means retrieving matching from both tables and matching rows from the left side table only. Left side table only. Left side table only. So matching data from both sides. Okay, that means left and right. But unmatching data from only which side here? Only left side table only we are getting now. But right side we didn't get it. Okay, from the right side we didn't get it here. Understand my point now? So this is left outer joint. Okay, now the same thing. Okay, when you want to write here, okay, so two cases I will show you. First I will show you ANSI format how to write this left outer joint. Okay, observe now. So if I just go to, these are the two tables what we have in the database. Student table, student, yes, and here I'm using the key left outer joint and course C. Now on condition S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. But in these two cases, can you identify student table I was mentioned at the left side and the course table I was mentioned at the right side. In between these two tables, what now? Left outer joint I was used. Left side which table is there? Student table is there. Left side which table is there? Student table is there. So that's why student table 10-10 matching data, 20-20 matching data will come. Along with matching data 30 also came because 30 is a student table and student table is a left side. So that's why you can see to execute it now. Okay, so 10-10 matching data, 20-20 matching data. But your 30 is called an unmatching row we called, or unmatching data we called. But unmatching data we are getting from which table? student table. And student table, why I'm getting student table means student table is which side? Left side. Okay, and the right side, what happened here by default, what it was taking here? Nulls. So right side, what it was taking by default? Nulls. Okay, it was taking by default nulls. Okay, so this is left outer join and C format whenever you want to write it. So this, okay, statement I want to use example. But same to same, when I want to write in non and C, suppose I want to write a non and C format, then how we can write non and C format means here very important point is what to observe. So when we, okay, when we want to write left or else simply write outer joins in non and C, in non and C format, in non and C format, then we should use, use join operator. Then we should use join operator. Operator is, what is the join operator? Is here plus symbol. The plus symbol is called as, guys, here join operator, and this join operator we should use it. Okay, we should use join operator. The plus symbol is represented. So this plus symbol is called as a join operator we call. So this operator I want to use whenever I want to implement outer joins mechanisms in non ANSI format. In a non ANSI format. Okay, the point is clear now. So now we will see how it was going to be working here. The left outer join, let you see in the non ANSI. Careful observe. Select star from student. Yes, and here I'm using comma. Course C. Where condition, because non ANSI is a where condition, we said s dot cid is equals to c dot cid and use your join operator. Okay, so in your course. So whenever the join operator I'm using on a particular table, that particular table, all matchings are coming out. And now we can see to execute it here. So what it was happening, you can see, guys. So what happened here? Okay, student table I was given left side and course is the right side, and s.cid is equals to c.cid. So s.cid left side, all data is coming out, but right side, okay, only matching data we are getting. That is called a plus symbol. That means join operator I used. When I'm using join operator, it was getting only positive. That means matching data only it was retrieving, unmatching data will be losing here. So that means which table unmatching data do you want it? So on that table don't apply plus operator. That is called join operator. So your student table I want it left side student table now. So that's why don't use a join operator on student table, because if you apply join operator on student table, then student table unmatching data will not come. Okay, only matching data will be come out here. So which table complete data you want it? Okay, now which table complete data means what? Now matching and unmatching data if you want it now, then don't apply plus operator. Okay, which table complete data do you want it, then don't apply plus operator. Okay, that's why here student table I want it completely left side, so that's why I'm not using plus operator on student table. Okay, in the same to same outer join also you can see this is right. Careful observe, you will get some idea. So this is left outer join non ANSI format period. Left outer join non ANSI. Okay, right. So this example observe. Same to same, come to right outer join. So right outer join, once you have to check it here. Right outer join, what it was going to do, retrieving matching data from both tables and unmatching data or rows from right side table. Just I'm changing my definition. Right side table only. Okay, now if you want to write this, okay, in ANSI format, if I want to write this ANSI format, so let you see. So ANSI is very simple. Now I'm just writing select a star from student, yes, and I'm giving right outer join. Okay, and later we are passing course C, and on condition s dot cid is equals to c dot cid. In this case, what happened, guys? Here, careful observe. Student is a left side table, and right side course is there. So that's why course matching and course unmatching was getting. So matching data from both tables getting, but unmatching data getting from right side table only, and the left side automatic will take a null. So this is ANSI format. This is ANSI format right outer join example. Okay, now, but the same to same, the right outer join in non-ANSI, if you want to write here, then how we can write it? Okay, non-ANSI, if you want to write it, how we can write means simple. So select star from student S, comma course C, and now I want to give the where s dot cid, and here plus symbol I want to use in the left side is equals to c dot cid if I'm giving. So when I was given this one, what it was happening, you can see. So which table complete data I wanted, right side table complete data I wanted. So that's why right side table, which table is there, course table is there. That's why my join operator I'm not using on course operator, course table, because course table entire data I wanted. So matching and unmatching complete data I wanted. So that's why don't use plus operator on course, and use plus operator on a student. Why? Because so your student will taking only matching but not unmatching. Okay, so which table complete data do you want it? So on that table don't apply your join operator. Okay, now so that is what it was. In the same to same, now you can see this is non-ANSI what we written. Okay, in the same to same, suppose if you want to go for full outer join, if you want to go for full outer join means okay, it's supporting both. Okay, left outer, left and outer join. What happened here? So that what happened, we are retrieving, so we are retrieving matching and unmatching both data, matching and unmatched. So we are getting now from, okay, now the both we are getting. And now we can see and see format how to write this uh, full outer join. Let you see. So I'm writing here select a star from student table, yes, and I'm passing full outer join C on s dot cid is equals to c dot cid. So full outer join, carefully observe guys here. So full outer join you are getting, so 10 10 20 20 matching data, but unmatching 30 is getting from left side table, and unmatching 40 is also getting from right side table. So that means when I'm using full outer join, all matchings as well as all unmatchings data both are getting here. So this is matching and unmatching we are getting from multiple tables by using of full outer join. And this statement is called as a ANSI format statement. But the same thing, if I want to use a non-ANSI format join, full outer join non-ANSI format, then how we can use means it is a combination of okay, left and right, we said, yes or no. So that's why we should use the two things I have to use here. One is called select star from student, okay, yes, comma, or C, where s dot cid is equals to c dot cid, and here I'm using plus operator. After that, we need to use one set operator, we all of you know na, union operator to combining purpose. So now in the union, now what I want to do, so student S and course C, where now the point is S dot CID of plus, okay, is equals to C dot CID. So the two operators results are combining together and showing as a one output. So now same as it is in ANSI format, how we are getting the matching and unmatching. In non-ANSI format, you should write like this here, okay, and we are getting matching and unmatching data. Okay, so this is guys your matching and unmatching rows, how to get it from multiple tables by using of ANSI format as well as by using of non-ANSI format. Okay, now right, and these are what it was going to be get now. And the next one is guys here, so this example I will show you because it is a combination of left outer and right outer in non-ANSI. So this is the way how we are going to be getting. Okay, and the next join you have just guys, what is the next join here? Cross join. So basically what is a cross join means? Cross join basically we are using for, observe guys here, to join two or more than two tables, okay, rows, two tables rows, without without any condition or any joint condition. It's a very important, okay, except cross join guys, except cross join, remaining all joints. How it was joined here means by using of some conditions. You can see equi-joint, you can see outer inner joint, you can see outer joints. Every joint is going to be implemented by using of what now, some condition. But guys here cross joint is not like that. Okay, cross joint is not like that. So cross joint will be, okay, cross joint will be working without any condition. It was joining your tables, okay, joining your tables. But how it will be joining means, okay, suppose first table is having m number of rows for example, and second table is having, okay, n number of rows. Then the result is what you say, m cross, the result is m cross n, m cross n rows, okay, m cross n rows. So how it was m cross n rows means, what it was happening in this cross join. So in this cross join, okay, each row in a table is joins with each row of an other table, okay, joins with each row of another table. So for example, one table m is equals to 3, another table n is equals to some 4. Then what happened here, m cross n. So if you see m cross n, then what happened guys here, so 3 cross 4, then 3 into 4, it's a 12. So 12 rows it will be showing us, okay now. So this is the working style of your cross row, okay. Okay now, right, this is working style of your cross row. Let us see small example I will show you. Just observe guys here, select a star from student is one of our table, 3 rows are there. Select a star from course is one more table, 3 rows are there. Now when I want to use cross join on these two tables of data, on these two tables of data. How it was working means, select a star from student, okay, student, and I'm using cross join statement, okay, and course. If I'm passing here, then simply I don't want to give any condition now, just simple I want to execute. Each row of in the first table is comparing with the table. So let you see how it was joining here. 10 20 10 40, and the next one is 20 10 20 20 20 40, and the next one is 30 10 30 20 and 30 40. So total how many times it was joined here means the total 9 times it was joined. Why 9 times means, in your student table 3 rows and course table 3 rows, then 3 cross 3 is equals to 9. Okay, na? 3 cross 3 is equals to 9. So this is what cross join. Okay, na? But this cross join, suppose where the people are using, okay, where the people are using this cross join means, for they're using in one situation, guys, mostly in real time, the cross join is using for the billing statements, whatever the billing statements are generated here. So at the time cross join is helping us, okay, so to generating some bill statements. Okay, now so how it is, for small example I will explain to you. Observe, for example, I have few tables here. One of my table, select star from items 1. So items 1 is one of my table, and another table we have it here, select a star from items 2. So these are two tables we have it, guys. These are two tables we have it here, items 1 and items 2. So in items 1 table, if you carefully identify, some items are there here, like serial number 1, item name is pizza and 250 price, and second item 2 and burger is a 120 rupees. So in items 2 table, same, okay, serial number 101, Coca-Cola, okay, is a 25 rupees, and 102, Pepsi is a 20 rupees. So guys, here, these are the two tables and two items are having here. In this two combination of tables, okay, in this two combination of tables, data, so there are many customers, they can order any combination of products or any combination of items. For example, one customer is came to us, one customer is ordered pizza with a combination of Coca-Cola. So pizza with the combination of Coca-Cola means, pizza how much price here, 250, and Coca-Cola how much price here, 25 rupees. And when these both are, I'm going to, okay, combining together, so then total bill of this customer 275 rupees. 275 rupees. Like one more customer came, he ordered pizza with a combination of Pepsi. He was ordered. So pizza 250, pizza 250, and here Pepsi 20 rupees. Then the total 270 rupees. This combination. Okay, like some customer is came, and that customer is going to be order burger with a combination of Coca-Cola. Then how much total bill? And one more customer came, he was ordered burger with the combination of Pepsi, then 120 plus 20, how much here? So like this, I have a items here, but customer can order any combination of items. Then whatever the combination of items he order, based on that, I need to generate total bill. Okay, now? So in this cases, we are using what now? Cross join mechanism. Let you see, I'm going to write in a small example. Observe. Select okay, I'm writing here small example. Select select. Now you can see I1 dot iname. I1 is alias name. Okay, now I1 dot iname, comma I1 dot price, comma I2 dot iname, item name, comma I2 dot price. Okay, comma then here I1 dot price plus I2 dot price. Okay, that is I want to total, showing as a total total amount. Okay, total amount. So your total amount is alias name. Okay, now right, from first table is what now, items 1 I1, and I'm using cross join, items 2 I2, items 2 I2. That's it. And later I just execute, I'm not writing any condition. Then here only the operation is what now, I1 dot price plus I2 dot price. I1 means what now, items 1 table. I2 means what now, items 2 table data. Now I executed, guys. So carefully observe. So one customer came to me, he ordered pizza with a 250, combination is Coca-Cola, then 250 plus 25, total amount is 275. One more customer came to me. He was ordered pizza 250 with a combination of Pepsi 20 rupees, and total bill amount is 270 rupees. Like one more customer came to me and he was ordered burger with a combination of Coca-Cola, then 120 plus 25, 145 rupees is a total bill. Like one more customer came to us, so he ordered burger with a combination of Pepsi, then 120 plus 20 is 140 rupees. So this is what now cross join. So whenever you want to see, nowadays computerized bills are there. Okay, so after you will be go shopping, okay, you do some shopping here. Nowadays almost everything is a computerized bills. So how those bills going to be generated means internally they're using what now cross join mechanisms are the people are applied here. Okay, so this is use of cross join in real time, where the people are using means when you want to generate in bills, so at the time you can use a cross join. Okay, no? Right. So this is cross join, the working nature, how it will be used. And the next one is called as, guys, here, the next one is called as a non-equi join. Okay, non-equi join. So non-equi join is a quite opposite of equi join. That's why we can say to retrieve data from multiple tables based on any condition. See careful, based on any condition, based on any condition except an equal operator, except an equal operator condition. Okay, now so that means in non-equi join you can use any operator you can use, guys, but don't use your which one here, equal operator, don't use. Other than equal operator you can use any operator as your wish. Okay, but don't use a equal operator. So that means I can use in this equi, I can use operators like less than operator, like greater than operator, like less than or equals to operator, like greater than or equals to operator, like not equals to operator, like you can use between operator, like you can use AND operator, like you can use OR operator, etc, etc, etc. So any operator you can use, any operator you can use, but don't use a equal operator. Except equal operator you can use any operator in non-equi join. So that type of join is called as a non-equi. Okay, right. So now how it was working, let you see small examples I will show you. First of all, I want to call my database tables. How many tables here? So these are 13 tables are there present. Let you see, I'm creating few tables just for using purpose how the non-equijoin is working. So create a table, test one. Okay, serial number integer, serial number integer, comma some name varchar2 of some size. This is one table I designed, and later we are inserting some data into this table. So insert into test one, sending values. So here 10 comma Sai, some name I inserted. The same pattern I'm going to design 20, inserting one more 20, and the name is James. So this is one table I designed, guys. So what is committer that we will see later classes. Okay, next create a table, test number 2, serial number integer and salary we are using number of 10. After that I need to insert few records into test 2 also. So values and serial number 1, 10. So I'm using your 25,000 salary is the first one. And the second record I'm inserting here into test 2 table. The second record is okay, is 30. Suppose that amount is 32,000. So I just made it commit. And finally, two sample tables we design. Test 1 table and one more is called as test 2 table. So now what I'm going to do now, on these two tables of data, I'm going to apply here non-equijoin. So let you see how to write non-equijoin. Select a star from test 1 T1, comma test 2 T2. Okay, so where carefully observe, T1 serial number is greater than T2 serial number. So you can use serial greater than, less than or equals to, any kind you can use, but don't use equal. So what is my condition, guys, here? T1 dot serial number greater than T2 dot serial number, and now I executed. So this is my output, whatever I got it. But how this output you got it means simple. It's the simple, and I already explained to you. So let you see, I just recall. So this is your condition, guys. Carefully, if you want to identify, this is our condition. So in this condition, we return T1 dot serial number greater than T2 dot serial number, and this is T1 means test 1. Okay, in this serial number you have here this one, and this is T2, and we have a serial number this one. Just I'm taking that was T1 dot serial number is greater than T2 dot serial number. So based on this condition, I'm just leaving here. So T1 value is 10, and now you have to go for T2 also 10, here 20, and here we have here, okay, so we have here 30. Okay, now I just compare. What is my condition? Greater than condition is there. Let you compare now. 10 is greater than 10. 10 greater than 10. Condition true or false? Come on, guys. 10 greater than 10. Condition true or false? Condition false. Next, 10 is greater than 30. 10 is greater than 30. Condition true or false? False. Okay, now next, 20 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Next row, 20 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Condition true. So true means, can I join this? Can I join this? Yes, I can join. So then my output is what? What is my output here? 20 and is my output. Okay, na? Right. Next, 20 is greater than 30. Condition true or false? Condition true or false? False. So that means finally this is only the result which is as per our condition. As per our condition, whatever the condition I was given, as per this condition, only these rows are satisfied. These rows are satisfied as per given condition. So that's why we can say 20 is greater than 10 means, yeah, 20 is greater than 10. This is correct and this is only satisfied. So this is non-equijoin, guys. This is non-equijoin. In the same pattern, for example, one more example I want to ask you. For example, let you see, write a query to retrieve employee details. Employee details whose salary is whose salary is between low sal and high sal. High sal. High salary. Okay. So this is one statement, guys. Write a query to retrieve employee details whose salary is between low salary and high salary. Okay. So here, let you come out to get my tables. So this is one of my EMP table that you see. In EMP table, there are total 14 employees are there, and these 14 employee salaries we have it here. In the same to same, I just come back here, select a star from one more table is there that is called as bonus table. Bonus. Okay, we don't have any data here. One second. Okay, sal grade table. Sorry, now you can see. So careful observe. My first table, okay, the table is EMP details. Another table we have it here. Select a star from sal grade table. So carefully identify, guys, here your EMP table. We have a total 14 employees are there, and these are all our 14 employees details we have it here. And sal grade table, we have some grade numbers 1 2 3 4 5, and low salary values, high salary values are there. So in sal grade table, okay, low salary, high salaries informations are there, like 700 low salary, 1200 high salary, 1201 1400, 1401 2000, 2 2001 3000, 3001 999. So like these are low salaries, like these are high salaries. So our question is what now? Here there are 14 employees are there. So our question is what now? Write a query to retrieving or to retrieve employee details. Careful observe my question. To retrieve employee details whose salary is between low salary and high salary. So here total employees are 14 employees are there, and 14 employees salaries also we have it here. So out of these 14 employee salaries, how many employee salary is between low and high? Is between low and high. So that means, can you tell me, guys, which operator I want to use to comparing purpose? Which operator I want to use? Any guessing? Yeah, between operator we want to use. So like here between operator, how I'm using, observe. Select e name, employee name, sal, and I'm taking low sal column and high sal column. Okay now, from emp table, comma, second table is what now, sal grade table, sal grade. Okay, from sal grade, where what I want to say, salary between operator, see, between low sal and high sal. Let you execute. So total 14 rows are there because 14 rows salaries are satisfied. Now let you see guys here. One example. See, first one is what now? Smith employee. Smith employee salary 800. But can you tell me 800 is comes between 7 to 1200? Come on guys. 800 comes between 7 to 1200. Yes or no? Yes, it was comes between. Like James is there 950. So 950 is comes between 7 to 1200. Yes, it comes between. Like you can see 1100, like you can see 1250, like see 1250, 1300, 15, 16, all you can see is between low and high side. Okay, so this is how it was going to be working here. So between low salary and high salary. But here I'm using between operator along with the end operator. We are using, already we know between operator how it was working. But the same statement, even though, can I write like this? Okay, the between operator, can I write like this here? So where sal is greater than or equals to low sal, end operator, second condition, sal is less than or equals to high sal. Can I give it guys? In place of between operator, can I give it here greater than or equals to and less than or equals to? Yes, we can. So now we can see to execute this one. So here also same output is came. Here also same output. Let you see. So Smith employee salary 800 and 800, when you see what I said condition, first condition, salary greater than or equals to low salary. So 800, if you compare with the low salary, is of course 800 is a greater than or equals to 700. So 800 is a bigger compared to 700. Okay now, and same to same, that means this condition is true, this condition is true. End operator. So end operator means what now? Both conditions are true, then only true. Yes or no? So first condition satisfied. Then second condition is what now? 800, which is less than or equals to 1200. So that means my second condition is also, can you see my second condition is also true, satisfied. So first condition true and second condition true, both are true, then it is a true. Both are true, then it is a true. Okay now? So like this it will be working now. Like this it will be working. So these are what guys here, non-equi. So that means, can you see in non-equi what it was telling, you can use greater than or equals to, you can use end operator, you can use less than or equals to, otherwise you can use a between operator. So any operator you can use, but don't use a equal operator. Okay, don't use a equal operator. So that was telling by what now, how it was working, and one by one practice your side. Okay, right. And now and finally, okay, so up to here we completed, except two remaining all joints are we completed here. So We check it out here. Equi join, we non-equi complete category, and ANSI category, inner is over, outer is over, and cross is okay. In ANSI format, we have a natural join and a self join. So these are two joints left. Okay, these two joints are left here in this concept. Okay, so and the natural self join, these two joints we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So tomorrow maximum I will be finishing joints. Okay. If it was finished this concept, and we'll go for another new concept. In tomorrow we will see the remaining two joints, whatever it was there. Okay, right guys, take care.